never been to Xerocon, but I'm really looking forward to meeting all of the affiliated partners, and also really excited about finding out about new and exciting technology that we can possibly implement at Consolidate.
I'm really looking forward to spending time with the team outside of work and getting to know more about Xero and utilising its capabilities.
I'm really looking forward to Xerocon this year so that I can meet all of the great people I met last year and have another boogie on the dance floor.
Sing the Xero band this year because they rocked it last year.
Okay, I'm looking forward to the gala dinner, having a drink. Looking forward to seeing where the platform's headed. Looking forward to meeting lots of people and networking. And did I say the gala dinner and having a drink?
Well, as Consolidate's chief people person, I'm really looking forward to Xerocon because there's going to be a lot of people there, making me happy.